Alright, come with me to go pick up a package for the car that I should have done a long time ago, but I didn't do it. So it finally came. They delivered it yesterday, but I wasn't home. So I have to go pick it up from the convenience store. So come with me, let's go pick up the package and see what we got. Alright, let's go. Ta-da, ta-da. Look at this nasty pollen covered car. Anyways, let's get in. Okay. Alright, so the car automatically airs up when I switch it on. There we go. I'll try to set you guys up somewhere so that you can see me while I'm driving it right. No gas! Alright, let's go. My head is unnecessarily close to this GoPro, so we'll see. Air out a bit, and now we can go. Let's go. It's so hot. 36 degrees. Okay, the car says 36 degrees, but I highly doubt that. Bum, 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 bum. I usually don't drive like this. Like, I try to avoid the bumps. Today I'm just sending it for some reason. Guys, the pollen is so bad. Ugh. Of all things to be allergic to, pollen is like, come on. I can't even go outside in peace. Come on, bud. No, we're not gonna make the lake. Catfish Camaro. The convenience store is connected to the gas station, or it's the one that is for the gas station. So we'll pull up here. Park here, work, there's nowhere else to park. Screw it. Alright. I'll be back, gang. So, most unfortunate thing, package is not here. We have to come back on Monday. Whatever, I'll come back. It's fine, we can delay it. Alright, so I actually started recording myself washing the car. But then I wanted to make another video of like, oh, I have to do all these things. So basically, I kept complaining about the car because I wasn't happy with it. I wasn't taking it to shows and things like that because it wasn't perfect. It wasn't show car quality, for me at least. Like, I had an incident in December where I understeered into a curb, and then that caused my lip to get scratched up, my bumper to get scratched up, so the wrap was coming off, and then on the side skirt here, that happened. Plus the car was super dirty, and I don't like these wheels because the lip is not shiny enough. Yeah, so many like small irrelevant things. But one of my friends came over and the underglow wasn't working. It was cut because I scraped it somewhere and it just was not working. So one of my friends came over and he was like, bro, you're already washing the car, like just do everything. And I was like, do I really want to? And then he's like, yo, let me just start doing something. So he started doing something. He started fixing the underglow, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna do the bumper. And then took the bumper off. As you can see, the bumper is now here. I took the lip off. I hope the lighting is okay, but took the lip off, sanded it down with 220, no, with 120 and then 220 grit, and then primered it, and then 3 coats of black, so it's matte black on it. So I want to go to a car meet today, so that's why I wanted to get it wrapped and put it back on, but it's not going to happen. So I'm going to wrap it tomorrow, fix the cut on the bumper. Let's see if I can show you. So if you guys can see that without my legs in the way. Yeah, so I want to fix that because you can see that when the car is on, like when it's on. So I'm going to do all of that tomorrow. And yeah, this is where we're at. I'm going to go to the meet. No front bumper. It's kind of sick. But yeah. Well, I wanted to make a whole video of like, let's address this and this and this and this, and then record myself actually working on it. Never happened, but it's okay. I thought my GoPro ran out of like storage or battery, but then it just overheated because it was in the sun apparently. So yeah, that is that. My little thingamabob. Okay, maybe I'll record me going in the meet. That'll be kind of fun. So we'll see. Anyways, peace. I have to go shower and eat. Bye. Oh, why do you walk? No, like top the motor.
Oh, well, I didn't try that yet. Oh, I hate that. What's up, girl?
No bumper, right? I hear a noise. Is anything rubbing?
I hear it too, but nothing's touching.
Yeah, I'll check out.
Turn your wheel. Other way. Oh, we're not hitting anything.
Sounds like axle clicks, bro.
Hey, don't say that. Sorry, that's what it sounds like to me.
That's why there's no front. Okay, so it's officially a few days later. I finally came to pick this up. I had to go to like the actual Purelator headquarters, so I'm gonna open it on camera first time. I'm gonna try to not get my address in here. We'll try our best. Okay. All right, guys, big reveal. These are license plates. So I got custom license plates, but let's see what I got. Ah, I'm excited. Oh my days. Are we ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Imagine freaking on the front, now that I have to run a front license plate, and on the back. This is sick. Oh, I can't. Is that even on camera? Oops. All right, there we go. Oh my days. I'm actually like, this is amazing. This is going to be great. Anyway, this was my little like, oh. Okay, you know what? I might as well go over, because I'm going to put that little clip in there. So I'm going to go over some stuff on the car as well. Okay, so I told you, oh, the car's aired up. So I told you I was going to fix some stuff on the car. The underglow is fixed, yeah. But look at the lip. I paint matched this and it looks so much better. It looks insane. And then I also fixed there was a really bad patch over there where it scraped where I hit the curb. I patched that up literally with a rectangle. So it's good enough for me. Can't tell from far or in pictures. And same with this. I used to have really bad scrape here and I patched it up with just another rectangle. This is what the car looks like now. If you zoom in, you can see I got a hair in here in the wrap, but whatever. Even the lip was really scratched up. You can tell like in certain lighting, but I sanded it a little bit. I sprayed some primer and paint and then I wrapped it. Now it looks a lot better. That looks sick, damn. I wanted to do the easy lip thing that I have on my side skirts, but it wouldn't stick to the bottom side of the bumper. I mean the lip, so I'm gonna have to figure out something for that. Anyways, that's the car. Oh my days. I'm actually so happy with this right now. The license plates are huge for me. I feel like I've been meaning to do that for so long and then I never did it, but now I finally did. Let's go. Okay, bye.